moms! Are you concerned about the screen time for your little ones? Here is the solution. This winter vacation, gift your child a fun-filled vacation that too without screen. I am going to start a series in which I will be sharing some super fun, creative and exciting activities to keep your child entertained and at the same time enhance the skills and overall development of your child. I will be sharing 3 to 4 activities every day for the next 20 days. So moms, here are the activities for day 1. For free printables, comment below. If you feel this video is helpful, then like and share this video. And to follow the series, don't forget to subscribe my channel Shino Kids. Thank you so much.